If you're still using the Nokia E71, then the time has come to replace it. Nokia has announced the successor to the E71 in the Indian market recently, and here we are going to be unboxing the Nokia E72. Nokia has kicked off a new campaign called The Way We Work, How We Respond is Who We Are. So we're going to be unboxing the E72. Oops, so I think it's outside. Here is the E72. This is going to be replacing the E71. It's got a nice metallic feel to it, and a 5 megapixel camera, and an optical navi key with a new control cluster. So let's check what's inside the box. You have a normal charger. Remember that the E72 chargers via USB as well. And you get a nice pair of earphones. 3.5 mm jack here on the top. And then you have a nice casing, protective case. You get a cleaning cloth and a ready short data cable. User manual and some Nokia OE stuff about walk navigation. That's about it. And here is another look at the E72 next to the E71. Time to replace your E71, folks. See you. Check out phonearena.com for more.